Now, before we begin with the chapter, let me first tell you what ecology means. Ecology is a subject that deals with the interaction of organisms and organisms with its environment. Now, ecology is divided into 4 levels that are first level is organisms, that is an individual. Second is population, a group of individuals. Third is communities, that is a group of various populations. And the last one is biomes. Now, what is a biome? A biome is a large geographical area where the flora and the fauna have adapted themselves to live in a particular environment. As we all know that the Earth's axis is tilted, so the seasonal variations lead to different adaptations and the formation of biomes. Now, within a biome, the local and the regional variations lead to the formation of habitat. Now, there are certain factors that affects the life of habitat. Now, what are those factors? They may be abiotic or biotic. The biotic factors are the living organisms. They can be parasites. Predators. And competitors. Now, there are certain abiotic factors that are the non-living factors that affect the habitat. The abiotic factors are temperature, water, soil and light. सबसे पहले हम पढ़ेंगे टेम्परेचर के बारे में. अब टेम्परेचर ह्यूमन लाइफ को बहुत ज़्यादा अफेक्ट करता है. वी नो दैट द टेम्परेचर डिक्रीजेज प्रोग्रेसिवली एज वी मूव फ्रॉम द पोल्स टू द इक्वेटर्स. पोल पे टेम्परेचर कैसा होता है? सब जीरो. बट एज वी मूव टू द ट्रॉपिकल एरियाज द टेम्परेचर प्रोग्रेसिवली इंक्रीजेज. कुछ एक्सट्रीम इन्वायरमेंट्स होते हैं लाइक थर्मोवेंट्रल स्प्रिंग्स, हॉट स्प्रिंग्स, जहाँ पर टेम्परेचर 100 डिग्री भी क्रॉस कर जाता है. वहाँ पर भी लाइफ एग्जिस्ट करती है लाइक बैक्टीरिया. नाउ, टेम्परेचर में कुछ ऑर्गेनिजम्स जो ऐसे होते हैं जो वाइड रेंज ऑफ टेम्परेचर्स को टॉलरेट कर सकते हैं. दोज आर नोन एज यूरीथर्मल.